Hey everybody, this is Scott with Riot Custom Accessories. We're doing a set of diode dynamic DRLs in a 2015 Dodge Charger today. And what I'd like to show you some of the things we do a little bit different. We actually take and we tape up the edges of the bumper and also on the body so that we can make sure that we don't scratch anything as we're taking it apart, putting it back together, stuff like that. We like to make sure we put all the bolts in one area so we got all that taken care of. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be taping up this lens, make sure it's protected, make sure it's not damaged or anything like that during the process, and just to make sure everything looks good. So what our process is going to be, basically, after we get everything taped up and looking nice, we're going to go heat this light apart, get it all apart, replace the DRLs. One of the factory DRLs is actually, if nobody's ever seen one, I can get one here. A factory DRL is a pretty just basic looking white one single LED. This is what comes in from the factory, and what we do is we replace it with a same look, same situation, but it is a multicolored LED inside there, so we can get multiple colors out of this. And in those multiple colors, you'll be able to use your phone to change it, make it any color you want. I'm sure you've seen pictures on our website and our Facebook and all that stuff, but this kind of gives you a little behind the scenes look at what goes into it. The Dodge Charger is actually one of the easier cars to do, I think, in my opinion. The bumper comes off real nice, real easy. We like to take the wheels off, makes it a little bit easier to get to everything, and we don't have to worry about scratching anything like that. So just a little behind the scenes of what goes on to do a set of DRLs. I'm sure you'll see pictures of the finished product on Instagram and Facebook, of course. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message or DM me. Thank you.